Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy a book writing desk in Heartopia. So if you want to turn that empty corner into a cozy study, or you want to start your career as a world famous author, so the book writing desk is a must-have piece of furniture, and here I'm going to show you the exact shop and step to pick up this desk today. So first you just need to open your minimap and find or track Kaching, and once you have your direction you can just go find Kaching store, general store in here. Okay, so I've already found her. Then you can just interact with her and click on the general store, and in here you can just scroll down until you found the desk, this one, book writing desk. So you can purchase it for 3,000 coins. Click on purchase and you've obtained the book writing desk. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.